Tapeworm infection. Introduction. Intestinal infections tend to be mild. Select true or false. Correct. Scott has been feeling nauseous and weak. He also has diarrhea and has lost 10 pounds in a week without trying. Should Scott see his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Nausea, weakness, diarrhea, and unintended weight loss may be signs of a problem. Scott should see his healthcare provider right away. Tapeworm infections happen after ingesting tapeworm eggs. Select true or false. Correct. You can get a tapeworm infection from eating or drinking anything that has come into contact with poop from a human or animal that had tapeworms or eggs. Medication can get rid of some tapeworm infections. Select true or false. Correct. You should wash your hands after using the restroom and before eating or cooking. Select true or false. Correct.
Thank you for using Explain.